I will show how to buy shares of Cloudflare, a web performance and internet security company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NET. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account with identification and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NET to find Cloudflare's listing. Confirm you select the NASDAQ result that matches the company name. Open the asset page to review the company summary and the price chart. Check the company information and exchange listing to confirm this is the correct stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order and confirm to send it. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, you will be prompted to add money before confirmation. After your trade, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example platform is in the video description if you want to follow these steps.